Hello and welcome to my channel Explode Maths. In this video we are going to solve a very interesting algebraic problem. Here we have a plus b equal to 20 and a times b equal to 44. Then what are the values of a and b? So let us see its solution. So here before solving it, we will mark this equation as equation number 1 and this equation as equation number 2. So taking equation number 1, that is a plus b equal to 20. Here b will be equal to, taking a to this side, here is 20 minus a, and we will mark this equation as equation number 3. Now putting the value of b from equation number 3 in equation number 2, that is a times b equal to 44. Here will be a times 20 minus a equal to 44, that is now equal to 20a minus a square equal to 44. Now taking these values to right hand side, here will be positive a square minus 20a plus 44 equal to 0. Now here, as we have gotten a form of quadratic equation, so we will solve it further using quadratic formula. For that, here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 20 and c is equal to 44, and the formula for the value of a will be here equal to, here to avoid misunderstanding we will mark this a as this alphabet, so that here will be a equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And now by putting the values of a, b and c here, this a will be equal to minus into minus 20 plus or minus root of minus 20 square minus 4 times 1 times 44 divided by 2 times 1. This is now equal to, here minus times minus is plus 20 plus or minus root of minus 20 square is equal to 400 minus 4 times 4 is 16, 1 is carried, 4 times 4 is 16 plus 1 is 17 divided by 2. Here will be a is equal to 20 plus or minus root of 400 minus 176 is equal to 224 divided by 2. Now a is equal to 20 plus or minus root of 224 is same as 4 times root of 14 divided by 2. Now a is equal to, taking 2 common from numerator, here will be 10 plus or minus 2 times root of 14 divided by 2. Now this 2 will be cancelled by this 2, so that here a is equal to 10 plus or minus 2 times root of 14, so that Here we are getting two values of a. Here we will replace this a by this a. First value is 10 plus 2 times root of 14, while second value is, here we will mark this a1 and this a2, equal to 10 minus 2 times root of 14. So now to find the values of b, we will take the equation number 3, that is b equal to 20 minus a. So here b1 will be equal to 20 minus a1 and b2 will be equal to 20 minus a2. So here b1 is equal to 20 minus 10 plus 2 times root of 14. Now b1 is equal to 20 minus 10 plus 2 times root of 14, so that now here b1 will be equal to 20 minus 10, sorry, here will be minus times plus is minus, so that 20 minus 10 is 10 minus 2 times root of 14, while b2 will be equal to, by using the same procedure, here we will get 10 plus 2 times root of 14. Here we have gotten two values of a and two values of b. Here this is the value of a1, here it is the value of b2, and here the value of a2 is the value of b1. I hope you would have liked video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.